How to see instructors for your courses. From the dashboard, go to Courses and down on the left to Instructors. What you will see is this will open up as a new tab. Let's click Instructors. What this button does is it automatically filters the instructors inside of the people area. From here you can use advanced filtering to filter which instructors you wish to see. For instance, if I want to see instructors that are created a course or enrolled in a course or opened, I can use the filtering to show me this. Apply filter and you'll see that this instructor here instructs the Marketing Made Easy course. If I go to memberships and click apply filter, you'll see there's no instructor enrolled in that course. So it allows you to filter on this side, but it also allows you to see all of the instructors within your course as well. Remember, just on the courses and down into instructors gives you all of the instructors on your course, and it opens the people area. This makes it very convenient to jump back to the original course area without losing this page. This is instructors on Zenler.